Yeah.
Now it started. Here's my room. A lot of books.
Lots of books.
That's the book I'm reading now. And Cecilia. Lots of Cecilias.
This is great. This is great. Queen. The professional.
Professional, big boy. Professional.
Professional.
Big boy. Yeah.
Big boy, big boy.
Big boy. Bed.
Your head.
My hair?
Your hair. Messy.
What's wrong with it?
Big boy. 3 years younger. 3 years older. 3 years.
Man, hats. They ruin my hair in the wintertime. That's the problem. You put on a hat, that's it. You gotta wear the hat the whole day.
Yeah.
Can't not wear the hat.
Yeah, that's one of the reasons why I don't like wear the hat. Yeah, because they ruin my hair.
They ruin my hair.
Ruin my hair. Like, even lots of people tell me that you are good looking when you wear the hat. I don't like it. It ruin my hair. Yeah. Like, because I'm a dancer, and then it's like, yeah, like, almost every dancer wear the hat. It's
the baseball cap.
Yeah. And then it's like, I just don't like it. Yeah, it is really hot. I mean, like, in summertime, it's hot. In Taiwan, it's hot.
Maybe I can invent a hat that doesn't ruin your hair.
Yeah.
We'll do it.